If you have never heard of bitter melon before, you are not alone. It is also known as Goya, but in this country, sugar is king, and anything described as being bitter is quickly passed over. There are many health benefits of this gourd that is grown in Asia, the Caribbean, and Africa. When you find out what it can do, you may want to consider at least taking a supplement if you really can't take anything that is not a sweet treat. 1. Diabetes. Eating bitter melon can help lower your blood glucose levels if you already have type 2 diabetes or even prevent it if it runs in your family. A study that was conducted in 2011 showed that consuming 2,000 milligrams of this melon every day lowered the fructosamine levels in participants. It also helped to reduce insulin resistance for those with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It is recommended that you do not stop taking your diabetic medication before you consult your doctor. 2. Prevents osteoporosis. Bitter melon consists of calcium and plenty of vitamin K, both of which are important for healthy bones. It has been found to reduce your chances of getting osteoporosis as well. Vitamin K also serves as an anti-inflammatory and can ease the pain generated by arthritis. 3. Kills cancer. A study that was conducted at the University of Colorado proved that the juice of the bitter melon was able to kill the cells of pancreatic cancer. The growth of the tumors was reduced by 60%. The best part is there were no negative side effects from this treatment. Traditional treatments, such as radiation and chemotherapy, leave the body tired and weak, as well as leaving the patient nauseous and usually with a complete loss of hair. 4. Vision health. One thing bitter melon has going for it is that it can provide about a third of the recommended daily dose of vitamin A. This vitamin is recognized for the proven effect it has on the health of your vision. It can improve your eyes as you age, reduce the progress of macular degeneration, and help with your night vision. 5. Liver health. Drinking 1 cup of juice from a bitter melon every day can help detoxify your liver, reduce your level of fluids, and aid in the function of your gallbladder. The hepatic qualities that bitter melon contains help your liver filter through the impurities in your body. Clean the impurities and rid your body of the toxins that can be harmful to your liver. 6. Kidney stones. Kidney stones are painful conditions that occur when your body chemistry is too acidic. Gritty little stones accumulate and are difficult to pass, often requiring a special procedure to break them down so they can be urinated out of your body. The bitter melon helps to break down kidney stones and helps to cut down on the acid that created the stones in the first place.